when you're ready to paint the eyes, the first step is to paint the eyeballs with white. You need a very tiny brush and a very steady hand. So I would suggest resting your pinky, if you have one, on the paper. That was funny, you can laugh. As you're painting so that your hand's not shaking. Once the white is dry, you're ready to move on to the iris, which is the color part. So I chose this, it's called still water. Oh, doesn't that look like still water? And what you're going to do then is paint now I have a surprised eye, so you're going to see all of my iris all the way around. So I'm painting a very, very small circle of color, and I'm going to try to match it on the other eye. That one looks a little bit bigger, so let me go back over here. This can be a little tricky to get them to match. That's pretty good. All right. Now, oh, that actually, now that I look at it at this side, had a little lump in it. All right, I'm going to let these dry just a little bit before I do the iris. And the iris is the black part of the eye, which is the next step. So I'm blowing on it. All right, the next step is the iris. I'm going to rinse my brush a little bit so I don't have the color on there anymore. And the iris goes inside of the color, like that. And, whoa, pretty cool. And the last step, now I'm going to blow on it again, just to dry it a little bit. The last step is to add the reflection spot, which will make the eye look alive and not dead because it looks like a zombie right now. So you're going to take a little bit of white and you just add a little tiny dot in the corner of the iris and the pupil, like so. And now my eyes are complete.